In this video, we look at micro and mini electric actuators and how they enable precise linear motion in compact machine designs. Mini electric actuators and small linear actuators are used when space is limited, but accuracy, repeatability, and controlled motion are still required. Typical applications include laboratory automation, medical devices, precision assembly systems, optical adjustment units, and compact industrial modules. A microlinear actuator or tiny linear actuator is designed for very small strokes, low moving masses, and fine positioning tasks. These actuators are optimized for precision rather than force and are ideal for alignment, dosing, testing, or positioning lightweight components. As requirements increase, mini linear actuators offer higher stiffness, longer stroke lengths, and improved dynamic behavior while remaining compact. This makes them suitable for small automation systems, where space efficiency and mechanical stability are equally important. For applications that require high positioning accuracy and repeatability, servo-based solutions are essential. A microlinear servo or mini linear servo motor uses closed-loop control to regulate position, speed, and motion profiles. This allows smooth acceleration, precise stopping points, and consistent performance over many cycles. When selecting a small linear actuator, several factors are critical: available installation space, required stroke, positioning accuracy, speed, and control integration. In precision systems, actuator performance must always be considered together with the controller and feedback system. Micro and mini electric actuators are not defined by size alone. Their value comes from controlled motion, predictable behavior, and reliable performance in compact designs. In summary, mini and micro linear actuators enable precise, servo-controlled linear motion where conventional actuators are simply too large. With the right selection and control concept, they become a key building block for modern compact automation systems. If you want to learn more about it, feel free to explore our other videos. Thank you for watching.